Hi everyone. Today we are going to practice what to do when we start to feel upset or stressed. Now, first we want to identify what it feels like when we're upset or stressed. And some of us might feel like our heart is racing really fast, or we're clenching our fists or clenching our teeth. You might feel your face getting really warm or butterflies in your tummy. You might feel like you maybe have a headache, or you're getting impatient, or you want to yell and scream, or maybe even cry. And when we're feeling those really big emotions, we want to calm ourselves down. So today, what we're going to practice is shoulder breathing. Okay, so these are my shoulders. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to inhale for 3 seconds. So that means I'm going to breathe in for 3 seconds and I'm going to raise my shoulders up. So you can watch me first. And then I'm going to exhale and breathe out and lower my shoulders. And then we're going to continue that for 5 breaths. Okay, let's do this together. Inhale, shoulders up, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. You might start to feel like your heart is calming down a little bit. You're not feeling so warm in the face. Inhale, exhale. I like to close my eyes. That helps me focus on my breathing. Inhale. Exhale, lower those shoulders. And last one, inhale. And exhale. Good. Now I feel much more calm. I feel like I can maybe talk and explain what's going on. This is very important to do when you're feeling those big emotions. So let's continue to practice this.